The euro is facing a huge crisis after the single currency plummeted below the value of the US dollar for the first time in nearly 20 years, further deepening Eurozone recession fears. The bloc's currency plunged to $0.9998 against the greenback, breaking below the $1 level for the first time since December 2002, before the euro back up to $1.0023. It has already sunk by nearly 12% this year, deepening fears the Eurozone could be plunged into a disastrous recession. The situation was worsened on Wednesday when it was revealed U.S. consumer price inflation had soared to 9.1%, the highest in more than 40 years. The euro only briefly brushed parity against the US dollar this morning, but it was enough to send shockwaves through Europe's biggest stock market indexes. Germany's DAX and France's CAC 40 nearly doubled their morning losses to 1.5% and 1.4% respectively, while London's FTSE wasn't far behind as another 4% gas rise in gas prices added even more pressure. The euro had started the year strongly, but the Eurozone has been battered by an energy crisis sparked by sanctions on Russia from its invasion of Ukraine. Recession fears appear greater than ever since the biggest single pipeline carrying Russian gas to Germany, the Nord Stream 1 pipeline, began annual maintenance on Monday. There are concerns when this maintenance is complete, Vladimir Putin may switch off the gas supply from Russia into Europe in a move that would send fuel prices spiraling even further. Eurozone price pressure increased yet again last month when inflation jumped to 8.6%, up from 8.1% in May. Despite some traders pointing to support in the market, the likes of JP Morgan have warned the euro could plummet to as low as 90 cents if Russia now severely restricts the region's gas supply. There are also growing fears that a continued sharp economic slowdown in the Eurozone will leave the European Central Bank's (ECB's) interest rates far below those of the U.S. Federal Reserve.